Hi everyone, this is Ashley at the Walnut Ridge Parts Department in Newcastle, and today I would like to discuss a great idea, an emergency kit for your RV. You're out on the road, something happens, you want to be prepared. So, first of all, I'm going to go over the patches. These can be used on your fiberglass, windows, everything to keep the water out until you can get it taken care of. Same thing with this. This is for your roof. It works on all types of roofs, so you don't have to worry about what kind you have. Awning repair tape, that's a must. That way, if it does have a rip or tear, you can still use it. It won't end your trip. Get up on that roof, you notice that you've got a leak or something in your vent. We have alpha and dicor for either rubber roof or alpha roofs. Then we have this clear silicone that you can put around your doors, your windows, anything like that. Make sure you have a caulk gun. And we also do have just 4 alpha roofs, a roof repair kit. They kind of have a mind of their own. All right, so next, for people who have a travel trailer, this thing will help take replace of your electric tongue jack. So if you have an issue with that, you still are able to camp. No problems there. Also, if you do have an equalizer sway bar, I have people come in for these all the time. They miss them. They fall off. Good to have. And then this little guy, less than $1, it will save your life. I hear a lot of people get 5 or 6 of them because they lose them very easily. So nice to have that around. You're out in the woods, your gutter pops off, easy repair, easy to fix, keeps the water off your unit. And it never hurts to have a little set of fuses. So if one blows, you're good to go. All right, if you guys have any questions or need help with your kit, come and see us.